Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're using an administrator account and have a quick backup of critical files. This prevents surprises. Once logged in, open Settings, then Update and Security on Windows or System Preferences and Software Update on macOS. You're doing this to see what's queued and where the toggle lives. Make note of the current OS version and any pending updates so you can re-enable updates safely later. That context guides the next steps and avoids accidental update loss. Next, you disable the automatic mechanisms. On Windows, pause updates in Settings, then open Services to stop and set Windows Update to manual. Alternatively, configure group policy or a metered Wi-Fi. For macOS, uncheck automatic updates and disable App Store auto updates so apps don't trigger system installs. Don't forget manufacturer updaters. Open NVIDIA, Intel, or Adobe utilities and turn off automatic checks, or remove them from startup. These steps stop. Finally, restart your laptop and verify the Windows Update service or macOS update toggle stayed disabled. This confirms changes persisted. Make a restore point and document what you changed, then set a manual monthly check routine so security patches aren't missed. If updates re-enable later, inspect Task Scheduler, login/startup items, and any vendor updater reinstallers. One of those usually flips the setting back. If you hit a stubborn re-enable, reinstall the offending updater and explicitly disable its auto-check option to stop future resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.